Hey guys, I'm Brendon, an account manager here at Dilate, and here's your tip for your Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about customized text in your Google search ads and how that can make your ads more impactful for your customers. There are three main types. One is the countdown, number two is dynamic keyword insertion, and number three is the if function. Countdowns are pretty much what they sound like. They just add a countdown into your ad that counts down the minutes, the hours, the days until your event or sale ends. Dynamic keyword insertion actually allows you to put the text to the keyword that someone is searching right in the headline of your ad, which makes it much more relevant to what they're looking for. The if function actually allows you to insert conditional text into your ad based upon certain criteria, like if someone's using a mobile or they're an existing customer. For instance, for customers on mobile, you could include a text that says call us now directly from this ad. Or for existing customers, you could offer them a greater or a different discount than you're offering new customers. Hopefully this tip helps you guys think a little bit more outside the box for your next Google search ads. And it's been Brendon and it's been good.